This is Tim here from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset an Android phone. So the first thing we want to do is just simply go to power and then completely turn this off. Now most of the time when this is off you have to hold down a combination of the power button and like the volume up, or it could be the opposite, it could be power button and volume down. So on my Samsung phone I have to go an extra step. I have to plug in a cable from my computer to the bottom here, and once it's charging I should be good to go. This becomes really easy now. So my phone is turned off, I have it plugged in. For your Motorola, your Google Pixel, this shouldn't be necessary to have this plugged in. So let's hold down the power button and the volume up button now, just like this. And I should see the Samsung logo now, and it will go to that recovery screen. So let's go to this now. And if you see something that says no command, hold down the power button and tap volume up. So you'll see that on your Motorola phone. Now we can use the volume keys to go down, and then press the power key to select. So here it says wipe data factory reset. I can do it one more time, and this will wipe the data off my phone, and then it should also remove that lock screen password. So just hit the power button to select it. This is very easy. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.